Yeah,
I mean, I didn't know that stuff before I started.
I know. Well,
It just boggles my mind how much coal we actually burn.
you raise a good point. I did not understand the scale of it either, Jason, until I went in and just educated myself. It was my own little assignment, working as a professor there at Drexel, and it was baffling, seeing our global energy policy and cars idling in traffic. Why are we spending so much money to go after these things, these precious things we're just wasting? So
We're like leveling the Appalachian Mountains from coal.
yeah,
It's just like.
yeah. 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 Hey, tell me where you uploaded your.
29, I think, is what.
Is your upload? Okay, super.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Let's just take a look. I think.
And for like my final submissions, so we resubmit it to this.
Yeah. Or you just send it to me.
I got the main stuff, but I need to fix the flow a little bit. I'd like to add some better modifications.
I'll just take a look. I'll give you some.
I figured at least if I got in there today, we might go
Yeah, let's do it.
kick it about a little bit.
Yeah, let's do it.
Fix this.
Nice picture. So these are the poplars then, huh? Okay. I need to get over there. It looks great. Okay, in the city of Missoula, there's a maze of underground pipes that collect the water we use from our daily routines. Water comes from sink showers. A cocktail of stuff leaves our homes and businesses. Wastewater.
Another thing, it blows my mind how much water we use.
Yeah, 6 to 9 million gallons. I just want to do some quick math on that. So let's just
The
say,
computations per person, I don't know.
oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Lower down.
I'll just double check it here.
I just got some basic. I think I got.
What's the population of Missoula now? Maybe 70,000, 75?
Yeah, it was just shy of 70, I think was the 2014 estimate that I put up there. So yeah, probably maybe a hair over. Yeah.
128 gallons per person per day. That includes industry too, but,
Yeah, I stated that.
yeah.
It's business use too, so.
yeah.
But it's just like, you got people in Africa hiking miles for a gallon.
Yeah.
We're pumping through.
Yeah.
30 a day.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
And,
It's not only a lot of water, it's a lot of energy too. A lot of heat.
I watched a documentary called Blue Gold. It kind of outlined how that's fresh, usable water is going to be the next war.
Yeah.
After we're done fighting over petroleum, which will be soon because there's not a lot left.
Yeah.
We're going to start going to war for water.
Well,
It's crazy.
yeah, I think in a lot of ways we're already sort of economic war over water. Which,
It's like we're on a planet that's like, 70% water, and the amount of actual healthy, usable water is so small.
I know.
Of course, sometimes documentaries can kind of be.
Well, I know, yeah. Okay, so there you go, between 85 and 128 gallons. It's good little math in there. Where'd you get this?
I think it might have been from the website for treatment.
I'll just say add reference here. Yeah, so stuff like that. It's probably a website. You can just add a reference as a footnote too.
It should be in my references, but it didn't.
Okay, yeah, just put that there, that'd be great.
I'm not sure. Completely fits into this paper, but I thought it was kind of a cool thing.
No, it does. Well, bioenergy, that's where most of it is, from Shramsky. It's some kind of hydrocarbon. It was part of biology at one point. %, reduction, 30%.
Wonder if we reached that 10%.
I don't know. I do know, I don't know exactly, but I know the carbon auditor in town, Chase Jones, has been working pretty hard on that, and we have. And the city of Missoula has reduced its emissions, yeah. It's good. I like it, man. You're doing a great job here. Put a, I want to, if you could, just, add a map either to as an additional, just where it is. Another thing I'm interested in is, I'll write it down here. I'd like to know how much energy it uses, if there's a way to figure that out. Is it running at, 5 megawatts, 10 megawatts? Because another thing that I find fascinating is that there are sewage pumping stations in town. So we actually pump sewage
I think
uphill.
everything pretty much out mowing in that way, well, that's water.
Yeah. But obviously, you're pumping fresh water uphill. We're actually
Yeah.
pumping sewage uphill. It's kind of... But anyway, add a map there, and then I'd also like to see estimate of energy. I'll just put that up here. And you might even, they're a public facility. They're, I would assume, compelled to provide that information.
I would think it's something.
When you say using physical or primary treatment, what's that?
I kind of explained the different processes.
Oh, okay. Just,
I think that's talking about basically just separating chunks and stuff. The most basic kind of level is the first step.
So
Talk about the 3 different stages.
Okay. Eco compost. Somebody said they need to change their name so it's not so catchy or whatever. Which just let it be, man. It's fine. Post. I'm always curious, like, how much non-bio sneaks through there. It's not clear to me how they know it's all, biological. And in that biological, there's the whole pharmaceuticals issue.
I don't think they do anything for pharmaceuticals.
No, I don't think they do either.
As far as most treatment facilities, that's why I think you're only supposed to eat like one fish downstream
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
Because of that
Yeah.
reason.
Yeah.
But, I mean, running it through the tree farm, you'd think that would capture some of that stuff, but I don't know. If plants absorb things like that so much as just like, okay, we don't need that, so whatever.
Yeah, and I think most pharmaceuticals are breaking down fairly quickly too.
You don't want Prozac in your fish.
Tracy's no longer the DEQ director, but I'm sure she probably, it's just, yeah, at the time, good. Oh, there we go. There's the, is that pipe's just pouring right onto the poplar field, huh? Nice. This is good paper, Jason. Nicely written, my man. This is great. So what else do you want to do on it?
I'd like to see if I can put some different type of computation up when the computation is just like basic water conversion.
Yeah.
I was hoping to maybe find something where, I don't know, I have some stuff about percentages of phosphorus that we're reducing or something, I don't know. Something a little more meaty, I guess, for computation.
Well, you might.
Trim it down a little bit, and I think my flow is a little catwalky.
Well, be sure you properly wherever your references are, be sure they're cited in the paper. Do that for sure. But then also,
Oh, yeah, I haven't done that yet at all.
yeah, maybe a couple more references, and be sure they're cited in the paper. And maybe just in terms of another equation, just to bring it back to the whole energy thing, see if you can determine how much, what the power consumption rate is over there, and then maybe, I don't even know if they know, but it could be that the wastewater treatment plant they might have a power purchase agreement in place where they're only buying renewable energy. Maybe they're not even buying non-renewable energy. So those would be my suggestions. Sound good? Okay. Nice work.